26 species in genus Gasteria. My fascination with Gasteria. I've always been drawn to the unique and the intriguing, and in the world of succulents, few plants capture those qualities quite like the Gasteria from the Asphodelaceae family. These South African natives, with their thick, fleshy leaves and unusual flowers, have completely captivated me. Their common name, ox tongue, gives you a pretty good picture of what to expect. The leaves are often tongue-shaped, rough to the touch, and come in a variety of fascinating shapes and patterns. Some species have smooth, dark green leaves, while others are speckled with white bumps or have warty textures. It's this diversity that first caught my eye and sparked my interest in these fascinating plants. A closer look at Gasteria. What truly sets Gasteria apart, though, are the flowers. Unlike the typical, upright blooms of many succulents, Gasteria flowers dangle from curved, almost horizontal stems, resembling tiny, brightly colored stomachs. This unique shape is actually where the genus gets its name. Gasteria comes from the Greek word gaster, meaning stomach. The flowers themselves are typically pink, orange, or red, and add a splash of vibrant color to the otherwise muted tones of the plant. But it's not just their appearance that I find appealing. Gasteria are incredibly low-maintenance plants, thriving in bright, indirect light and requiring minimal watering. This makes them perfect for both experienced succulent enthusiasts and those just starting their plant journey. I've found them to be quite forgiving, tolerating a bit of neglect here and there, which is perfect for someone with a busy schedule like me. Exploring the diversity of Gasteria. The genus Gasteria isn't particularly large, but it boasts a wonderful variety of species, each with its own distinct characteristics. Gasteria acinicifolia. This species has smooth, dark green leaves that can grow up to a foot long. It's one of the larger Gasteria species and makes quite a statement. Gasteria glomerata, a compact species with short, chunky leaves arranged in a rosette. It's a popular choice for those with limited space. Gasteria batigiana. This species has triangular leaves that form a spiral pattern. It's a slow-growing but rewarding plant to cultivate. Gasteria carinata. This one has keeled leaves with a distinct ridge running down the center. It's a very architectural plant with a strong, geometric presence. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The joys of cultivating Gasteria. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, I find great satisfaction in cultivating Gasteria. Propagating them is relatively easy. You can simply take a leaf cutting, let it callus over, and then pot it in well-draining soil. Watching a new plant emerge from a single leaf is incredibly rewarding. I also enjoy the challenge of creating the optimal conditions for my Gasteria to thrive. Experimenting with different soil mixes, watering schedules, and light levels allows me to deepen my understanding of these fascinating plants. Each new leaf or flower spike feels like a small victory, more than just a plant. For me, Gasteria represent more than just another addition to my plant collection. They symbolize resilience, adaptability, and the beauty of diversity. In a world that often demands conformity, Gasteria stand out as a reminder that being different is something to be celebrated. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or simply looking to add a touch of the unusual to your home, I highly recommend exploring the world of Gasteria. These captivating succulents are sure to bring you joy and fascination for years to come.